So, students, we were on to the organic analogy by Herbert Spencer. Now, in this, Herbert Spencer has made the comparison between a biological organism and a social organism, that is, society. That is, he has discussed the similarities as well as the differences. So, there is similarity in the visible growth as we can see the changes इन एन ऑर्गेनिज्म एज इट इवॉल्व्स और वही चेंजेस जो हैं वो विजिबल होती हैं सोसाइटी में व्हेन द सोसाइटी इवॉल्व्स फ्रॉम सिंपल सोसाइटी टू कॉम्प्लेक्स सोसाइटी. इसके साथ साथ ही जो कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है स्ट्रक्चर में दैट चेंजेस इन बोथ दैट इज द सोशल ऑर्गेनिज्म सोसाइटी एज वेल एज बायोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनिज्म. बायोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनिज्म में आप किसी भी चीज का एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हो और कैसे वो इवॉल्व होता है चेंज होता है फ्रॉम वन स्टेज टू अनदर एंड हाउ द स्ट्रक्चर चेंजेस. सिमिलर इज द केस विद द सोसाइटी ऑल्सो. नाउ एज द change in structure take place, there is differentiation of structure which leads to differentiation of functions. जैसे जैसे structures change होता है वैसे ही functions भी उसके change होते जाते हैं as it evolves in case of both society as well as biological organism. There is differentiation as well as harmony of organs. But ऐसा नहीं है कि जब change होता है और evolve करता है organism और the society, there is some sort of disharmony. There is harmony, there is coordination, there is cooperation. The changes which take place, they adjust with one another. The differentiation which is taking place, उसके साथ साथ adjustment और harmony भी रहती है ताकि एक balance maintain रहे both in the case of society as well as in the case of biological organism. Next similarity is that loss of organism does not necessarily result in the loss of organism. Means the loss of one organ does not lead to or does not result in the loss of organism. Means अगर एक part में एक organ में कोई भी dysfunction होता है that will not affect the whole organism as it is. It will adjust to that particular change or the loss. Next is similar processes and methods of organization. Now this has been explained in terms of regulative system, sustaining system and distributing system. हर्बर्ट स्पेंसर ने इन तीन सिस्टम्स की हेल्प से सिमिलैरिटी बताई है एक बायोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनिज्म और एनिमल एंड सोशल ऑर्गेनिज्म दैट इज सोसाइटी. रेगुलेटिव सिस्टम जो है एनिमल्स में वो कंट्रोल करता है सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम, बट व्हेन वी टॉक ऑफ सोसाइटीज इट इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय government, social control. The sustaining system in case of animals is giving and receiving nourishment, and that means the animal or the biological organism is sustained by nourishment, and this is in case of society is done by industry or economy. And the distributive system is in case of animals or biological organism, it is maintained by veins and arteries, and in case of society it is road transports internet etc which maintain the distributive system. So these were the similarities. Now moving on to the differences in the biological organism or society. Now organs are organized in case of biological organism, but the parts of society they are independent. ऑर्गन्स जो है वो इंडिपेंडेंटली एग्जिस्ट नहीं कर सकते एक बायोलॉजिकल ऑर्गेनिज्म में, पर सोसाइटी के जो पार्ट्स हैं वो इंडिपेंडेंट, दे आर केपेबल ऑफ एग्जिस्टिंग independently. Another difference is that society does not have a definite form as the organism. Organism को की एक particular form होती है, but society की कोई physical form नहीं है. Society is abstract in nature. Society is a mental construct. Another difference is that there is difference in dependence of organs or parts on the organism or society. Means